Welcome to a time when vacuum cleaners were louder than your neighbor's gossip, and meal prep meant wrangling a live chicken before noon. Homemakers didn't just clean the house. They ran the house like a boot camp with doilies. If you've ever wondered how women manage to look elegant while churning butter and dodging corset-induced fainting spells, you're in for a treat, and probably a lard-filled pie. Buckle your apron, it's about to get domestic. The 1900s. When housework was a full-time job, corsets were tighter than Aunt Edna's purse strings, and domestic bliss came with a side of boiled vegetables. It was a time when homemakers were expected to be elegant, industrious, and able to poach a salmon while hand-starching lace curtains. Hosting a luncheon in the early 1900s wasn't just a meal, it was an event. If your hat didn't have at least one feather, and your tea wasn't brewed with the seriousness of a royal decree, were you even trying? Ladies gathered for a light midday repast that could feed a small army. And you, yes, you, were responsible for every single detail. From cucumber slices cut with surgical precision to the lemon garnish shaped like a flower. Fail, and you'd be the subject of whispered scandal and side eyes from Gertrude at the ladies' auxiliary. A typical 1900s luncheon menu, and why you might need a nap after reading it. Cold poached salmon with cucumber sauce. Chicken salad in puff pastry shells. AKA I spent all morning making this look effortless. Tomato aspic with celery and lemon garnish, because gelatin was a food group. Tea sandwiches, watercress, egg and olive, and ham with mustard butter. A dainty triangle never hurt anyone. Lemon scones with clotted cream and strawberry preserves. Victoria sponge cake filled with jam and whipped cream. Oh, so British. Fresh brewed Darjeeling tea and iced raspberry shrub. Sounds fancy, tastes like vinegar and ambition. Let's talk tomato aspic, shall we? There was a time when people willingly suspended vegetables in gelatin and called it classy. Tomato aspic was the queen of molded luncheons. It jiggled, it shimmered, and it confused children everywhere. But if you didn't serve it in a ring mold garnished with lemon slices and regret, were you really a hostess? Chicken salad in puff pastry shells. The drama queen of dishes. Nothing says I care like chicken salad delivered in a delicate pastry that crumbles the moment someone makes eye contact with it. Bonus points if you piped it in with flair and served it on your best porcelain. The set you keep hidden 364 days a year. The secret to hosting. Like a 1900s homemaker. Look elegant while sweating profusely. Serve 9 dishes, but insist it's just a light lunch. Smile through the pain of heels, corsets, and your cousin Mildred's unsolicited opinions. In conclusion, they deserved medals. 1900s homemakers weren't just keeping house. They were running small domestic empires. With no microwaves, no mixers, and no online grocery delivery, they still managed to pull off luncheons that would make modern brunch look like a sad desk salad. So, pour yourself a cup of tea, preferably with a lace doily underneath, and raise a toast to the women who did it all while wearing wool. All the recipes are listed below in the description. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our inspiring homemaking stories, tips, recipes, DIY projects, and more. Next up, the 1910s, where war met whipped cream and sugar became more precious than pearls.